Welcome back to our Bioinformatics practical class. In this video, you will understand what Mega is used for, how to download and install Mega, and how to navigate the Mega software. What is Mega? Mega is a computer software that stands for Molecular Evolutionary Genetics Analysis. It is a powerful bioinformatics tool used for sequence alignment, phylogenetic construction, evolutionary analysis, and genetic distance computation. And it is widely used in genetics, molecular biology, and evolutionary studies. So, step 1. How do we download Mega? Go to the official Mega website. That is, you can go to Google, type Mega software on Google, and wait for it to load. You can see it has opened. The first website on the screen where you can see Mega software. Click on it. Okay, this is the official Mega website. The official Mega website. You can see this is where you choose your operating system. You can see Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, and the rest. So choose Windows if your operating system is Windows. You can leave it at graphical user interface. Then go and select the latest version from here. The latest version is Mega 12.1 64-bit. If your own is 32-bit, choose 32-bit. Then click download. It has opened the Mega user agreement page. Scroll down, then click accept. Click accept. Okay, after clicking accept, it will bring you to this page where you select your country. If you are from Nigeria, you choose Nigeria. If you are from US, Kenya, Ghana, you choose it. Then here, what kind of institution? If you are a researcher, you can choose independent, or you can put the name of your institution here. Here you go and tick, are you a researcher? Are you an instructor? Are you a student? Are you a professor? You tick it. Then here you choose the type of your institution: university, research institute, industry, government, and other. Then after that, you click download. This is a download button. You click download. Once you click download, Mega will start downloading into your system. And once Mega has downloaded, click on the downloaded file and install it. This is the Mega interface. So in our next video, we will start working with a real biological sequence and how we can use Mega to analyze our DNA or protein sequence. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button.